Quick video really fast. It's because I wanted to share this tip. So this is a 2003 Tahoe. So with this guy here, you got 15 millimeter on here, and then this. What you can do is you can take like an impact gun like this, spray this with oil, and just hit it. It'll spin the shock, but just keep hitting it, and eventually it'll come off. If not, then you got to put a wrench on here. It's not a socket, it's stupid. So either a vice grip or something, and then you get to try and turn a wrench on it. So my suggestion is use a good impact, maybe an air one, and then if you got somebody else to hold the rest of the shock underneath, then you get down here, get up in here, and get your 21 millimeter wrench on that side, and then hit it with the impact on this side and drop it out. Put your new shock in. Make sure that your new shock is about the same size as your old one. This one actually looks maybe a little bit longer. We got to pull that part off of here and put it on there. Anyway, these are $35 at O'Reilly's. Not too bad. They're considerably more than AutoZone. So just pull that off and slide it on there, and then put it up in there. We'll be back in a second. So in order to get it to clear on mine, I gotta go ahead and jack my suspension up just a little bit. So I probably could have forced it, up in there. Anyway, let's see here. So now, yeah, we're good. Put my bolt in there, and then lower back down my suspension, put the stuff on the top and tighten it up, and good to go, and do the other side. So anyways, there you go for your I guess second generation Tahoe. This pretty much applies to most Chevys and GMCs and some Fords and whatever. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up if you like it. If you don't like it, I'm sorry, I'm just doing the best I can.